Give me the sad eyes.
Oh, bro.
Can't have second breakfast.
Second breakfast?
Baby, you're already a pyramid. You don't need to be scared.
Oh, pyramid?
Boobies. Boobies, stop!
Boobies.
I'm not doing anything to you. Stop it. You stop that now.
Bro, that is literally a chunkster.
You don't belong in there.
How does one fit so perfect?
Let's turn the sink on.
Let's turn the sink on. It took 30 seconds for it to register to him.
Having zoomies?
Zoomy. Oh, brother, you could tell.
Yeah, you have zoomies. Ooh, what do you want?
Thief. Oh, what kitty?